Hello everyone, welcome to the BoldSign API tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to manage document tags with BoldSign Node.js SDK. You'll discover how to add tags to existing documents, filter documents by those tags, and delete tags that are no longer needed, helping you keep your document library organized, searchable, and easy to manage. Imagine you work at a legal firm that handles hundreds of contracts every month, client agreements, NDAs, employment contracts, and vendor contracts. Searching through these documents one by one would take a lot of time, but with BoldSign tags, you can keep everything organized by adding tags like NDA, onboarding, or contracts to your documents. This makes it easy to quickly access files by category, eliminating the need to manually shift through hundreds of documents. All right, let's dive in, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Make sure you have installed the BoldSign Node.js SDK by running the command npm install BoldSign in your terminal. Since I've already installed it, I'll confirm by running npm list BoldSign. As you can see, the package is installed and ready to go. Before adding any tags, let's first look at how documents appear without them. I switch to the BoldSign web app, navigate to the Documents section, and click on My Documents. A list of documents is displayed. At this point, none of the documents have tags assigned, so you won't see any tags shown alongside their names. Now, let's proceed to add tags. I navigate to the BoldSign developer documentation on adding tags, copy the Node.js code snippet, and paste it into my project file. Next, I update the code. In the Document API object, I set the API key to connect with BoldSign services. If you haven't generated your API key yet, you can do so by logging into the BoldSign web app. Just navigate to the API section, select API key, and generate a new key. Then, I need the document ID of the document I want to tag. To get this, I open the BoldSign web app, navigate to the Documents section, and click on My Documents. From the list, I select the document I want to tag, open it, and copy the document ID displayed on the page. Back in my code, I paste the document ID and define the tags I want to associate it with, for example, onboarding, an NDA. These tags can represent anything relevant to your document workflow. You can add up to 50 tags to a single document. Each tag must be no longer than 255 characters and cannot contain any white space. Once everything is set, I send the request using the add tag method. This updates the document with the new tags. I log the response in the console. I then run the script. The tag is successfully added. To confirm the changes, I switch to the BoldSign web app, click the Documents section, and select my document. Here, you can see the tag added successfully displayed just below the document title. Tags make filtering simple and powerful. Just click on a specific tag to view all related documents. For example, if you click the onboarding tag, every document with that tag will be displayed. Need to filter by multiple tags? Click the NDA tag after selecting onboarding, and only documents containing both tags will appear. For more precise filtering, use the advanced filter option. When you click it, a pop-up with several options appears. For instance, select the tags onboarding and NDA, then click Apply Filter, and the filtered documents will be displayed instantly. Now let's look at how to delete tags that are no longer needed. Just like when adding tags, navigate to the developer documentation for deleting tags and use the provided code snippet to remove them. Once the request is processed, the document updates and the unwanted tags are removed, helping you keep your document library clean and organized. You've just learned how to manage document tags in BoldSign, from adding useful tags, filter documents using those tags, and removing tags that are no longer needed, making it easier to organize, search, and manage your documents efficiently. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign API tutorial videos.